Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka. So for today, magta-top up tayo sa ShopeePay sa Palawan Express. So pupunta ako ngayon sa Palawan Express to do that. So, let's go! So note lang, before ka mag-top up, you need to get a reference number muna sa ShopeePay. So you can do that by going to your account and then click ShopeePay and then click top up. Tapos choose an amount and then choose yung e-center, yung e-wallet, and then choose yung Palawan Pawn Shop. And then, ayun, makukuha mo yung reference number. Tapos, take note may expiration date yun. So, ayun, super fast lang. Don't forget na kunin mo yung send money form, not yung receiver form. Okay? By the way, if you are curious on what to put dun sa send money form, then dun sa transaction code, you're gonna put the reference number, yung binigay sa inyo ng DragonPay. And then that you can only use that for one time only. And then you put the date and time sa side. And then yung name, put your name and contact number. Then under sa receiver, you put yung sa name, ilalagay nyo DragonPay. Okay? And then for the amount, yung top-up amount, and just sign sa baba. So that's it. That's all you have to do to fill out this send money. So dito na sa Palawan, I have my ID, yung money, and of course yung pen. Okay, I have here na yung receipt na successful yung pag-top up. And then may na-receive din ako notification from ShopeePay na successful yung top up, which is yung 300 pesos. So, ayun, super fast lang and you can do it. Alright, so I have to go na. So, thank you so much everyone for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a video.